Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is all about winter essentials. So as we all know that winter have come and we are suffering from dry skin and roughness, and we are all are finding a product which will help us fight back these things. So this year I tried out some new products from new brands, and I am very happy and satisfied with the result which it have given me. So I'm sharing the product details and information with you so that even you can try it, and you also can get the benefit which I got from this products. So let's go and start the video. So the first product is my personal favorite product, that is the M Caffeine body oil. This is the coffee body polishing oil, and it's really amazing. Normally it is told to use before taking bath, but I usually use it after taking bath. And the smell is of raw coffee, and it's amazing. When you use it, it's like your body, your skin shines, and it gives a very strong coffee smell. And if you love coffee, then this is the oil you should be using. It comes with the benefit of stretch marks reduction and cellulite reduction in your body, and it is non-greasy, and when you polish it, like rest of the oil, it does not have that sticky thing. It just it gets absorbed in your skin and just leaves you with a very smooth polished skin, and it's really amazing. You can see almost the bottle I have almost you know have made it half empty. I have to order it, I think so. I love the oil so much. It is my, I fell in love with the oil once I have started using it. So I'll highly recommend you this oil for the winters, and it's really good. It's really soothing, and it stays for 24 hours. I'll say if I put it in the morning after bath, and after even I came from office, and you know did all my things and all, and going to sleep, that time also, if I like, just for testing, I scratch and I see there's no scratch marks or anything as such. So the oil is really amazing. I love the oil. So with that, I'll go for the second product which I bought, that is the body lotion of Metcafe. I bought this duo, I'll say. The body lotion, I don't prefer the body lotion much, because I prefer the oil more than this body lotion. But the body lotion is also good. It gives you a sweet caramel smell. I won't say it smell like coffee. It does not. It gives you a sweet caramel smell. It does not stay for 24 hours. Like if you have applied the lotion in the morning, then you again have to apply it in the evening. So that's why I prefer the oil more, because one time use and it stays for long. But then also it's non-greasy. It is not like any other body lotion which will make you feel heavy. It's non-greasy and it's very light. Once you apply it, it absorbs in your skin as soon as you apply it, and it just leave your skin with a normal, soft, smooth, silky skin. That's the reason I use, like in a week I use this like 3 days a week, and the oil for 4 days a week, like that, mixing and matching. I use these two things. With this too, it came with a like Metcafe gave a small cute little pouch. So over here, these are the free hampers which I got. So there's a very cute small body scrub. I did not use it yet because my body scrub is not over. So I don't know how is it. I'll give the review once I have used it. And then again, it came with a small little the same oil which I ordered, body polishing oil. So once the bigger pack is over, I will be using this. You can travel with these products because it's so small and so cute, and it even helps reduce your luggage. The third thing I'll go is the face wash. I changed my face wash to this one, the oil free for acne prone skin. I literally love the face wash. I have used it for 2 months, and then only I'm recommending you this face wash because it deep cleanses your skin, but it does not over dry your skin, because there are face wash for acne prone skin which over dry your face, and during winter especially it starts itching. So it does not over dry your skin, it deep cleanses, and it have got a very smooth texture. So when you are applying it, you are literally enjoying applying it. And it, as soon as you apply, like I apply it after coming from office, it gives you a freshness after using it. So you can use this and let me know how you felt about this product. Did you feel the same thing which I felt, or did you feel something different? So you can use and let me know that. So the next up is the moisturizer. This is the moisturizer I'm using right now. This is the oil-free moisturizer for combination skin. Well, I used to think my face is oily skin, but during winters I get dry areas near my nose. So for solving that problem, I started using this moisturizer, and it has been 2 months, and I'm really happy with the product because the problem which I was facing, that is gone. And as soon as I apply it, it absorbs in my skin and leaves me with no greasiness or no oiliness. It just leaves with a very smooth velvety effect on your face, and it keeps your glow intact. So I'll highly recommend this moisturizer if you have problem as mine, and it will solve it. And the last but not the least is the foot cream which I'm using. This is the herbal foot crack cream from Khadi Naturals, and this cream is really amazing. It have got a sweet jasmine smell when you are applying it. It's kind of very thick, and when you are applying it, it gives a coat on your feet. You will feel it after you have used it when you are walking or anything as such. So it prevents from any kind of crack on your feet, and it leaves with a very smooth and soft feet. So that's it for today. So these are the products which I'm using this winter to fight the dryness and the dullness, and to gain all the nutrients, the hydration and the moisturization my skin needs to look fabulous and to glow. You also should be using the products which are required for your skin, because pampering your skin is very important. So that's it. I'll take a leave right now. Do let me know if you have used any of the products and how you feel about the products in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Ta-da!